Hi, this is Munish Chopra. I am a VM and retail design specialist. I've been working in this field for last 20 years and worked with a lot of national and international brands and also launched retail of many online brands. Visual merchandising is the art of uh, selling. It's an art of seducing a customer into buying more and also telling a story. It's about making a brand connect and delivering the brand promise at the retail front. It is primarily a retail industry thing, but also you can use visual merchandising in online through our e-commerce websites and all. Basically, how do you design it, how do you place things matter, and what do you communicate through those visual tools. It helps in increasing sales. A lot of you end up doing a lot of design. I was not never interested in just one stream of design. I always wanted to do other things also. So this career gave me good opportunity to do graphic design also, product design also, set design also, lighting design also, and communication design, photography. It gave me an opportunity to do a lot of things, and that is why I enjoy this field a lot. Without realizing, we end up using VM a lot in our life, and this is one tool that if you learn and do these workshops, you get better at presenting yourself. Also, you also have a higher chance of understanding things, and you understand because through VM actually we are playing with emotions and telling stories and also making the right impact. So you know how to make a right impact, and even on a personal life, how you dress up, how do you present, what will say what, you will understand that what color will communicate what how you can use it to your advantage. So you'll get to know how to get ahead in life. It will help you get ahead in life. So these kind of workshops actually help giving you a nice look into a peek into the field and career opportunities and what the field is all about. Also, it helps you explore your creativity and helps you understand the design and play with it.